I'm heading to Singapore and transit Singapore now. We're about to get into the plane and I will see you in Singapore. I will tell you guys where I'm going. So it's 7:25 p.m. and just arrived in Singapore, and I'll be layover here for 3.5 hours for my next flight. Hello and good morning. I just arrived in Tokyo, Haneda Airport. It's around 6:30 in the morning. The sun just come up. After the passport checks, I'm gonna get my luggage and then pick up the pocket Wi-Fi and also the JR rail pass. And after that, I will be heading to Tokyo Station to go on a bullet train. So the main idea is to utilize the JR pass as much as possible. So I just arrived at the final destination after a very long journey from my hometown to here, Hiroshima, Japan. Wow, it took more than 24 hours to come here. I depart from Brunei around 5:20 in the afternoon and then arrive here in this hotel around 3, what time is it? When I checked in, it was around 3:45. It's almost around 24 hours to reach here. So basically, I took a flight from Brunei and then layover at Singapore for 3.5 hours. I took a night flight basically from Singapore to Haneda International Airport in Tokyo. So during the flight, I haven't got much sleep, and then arrived in Haneda and I get my pocket Wi-Fi, and also I exchanged my JR rail pass, and then I straight away used the JR rail pass to go to Shinagawa station, and from Shinagawa station I used the bullet train, but I actually missed the train because basically I just busy taking pictures of the bullet train, so that's why I missed it. As soon as the train's door shut, I realized that that's actually my train, and I have to go to the ticketing counter and then change my reservation. So I actually book a ticket with the JR pass. I book a reservation seat, which is free actually. So it's good. Actually, I wait for another hour in Shinagawa for the next train. So wasted 1 hour. And from Shinagawa, I proceed to Shinkobe station. From Shinkobe station, I change to another bullet train, which is the Sakura bullet train, in order for me to go to Hiroshima station. By the way, from Shinagawa to Kobe, I used the Hikari bullet train. This is my first time using the JR pass. I will use the JR pass a lot on this trip, and I'm actually tracking down all the prices, ticket fares. As of now, I'm using two bullet trains. Actual conversion is it's around 308 Brunei dollars. I purchased the ticket 520 something Brunei dollars. So I think it's a good bargain. Yeah, I will use way more than that. It's actually really worth the money. Okay, so I'm really tired. I haven't slept. Right now I just want to take a shower and probably eat something and then just go to bed. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a room tour. Basically, this is the room that I stay, so it's pretty small. So this is for one person bed. As you can see, it's a single bed. I think it's around 17 square meter. So this is the toilet, the shower. Oh, nice tile. The toilet with the bidet. Nice one. So it's quite small, but it's enough for me. It's the entrance. And this is the wardrobe. Yep. Coming to the main room. So we got TV and the stuff set. All the information is here. And I think we have a coffee complimentary. We have like a sitting area here so that I can use it for eating and for vlogging, talk to you guys. And this is the view, the parking lot. So this room is at the 9th floor. I'm not quite sure how many floors this hotel has. So this is my home for the next 3 days.